Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Rain app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here or settings list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down and you click here on enable settings here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on neighborhood settings, click on it. Then you come to this list here, you click here on content settings here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on fit time frame here. Then here can you choose time you want to add. When you just down, you just click here on apply filter here. So then it's going to add video on your, or here can you choose days or hours here, and it's going to add video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.